I've been using the free version of Canva for the past couple of years now, and I'm very happy with the designs that I've created with it. However, you may have a different type of business and a paid membership may be more suitable for you. So let me just quickly go through the benefits of having a paid account with Canva if that's what you choose to do, or just so you know what your options are. For now, if you just want to try out the free account with Canva, this is what you get here. You get 2 folders to organize your designs. You get 1 gigabyte storage. You can access over 8,000 templates, upload your own images, and access millions of photos starting at $1 each. Now for the paid membership plan, Canva Pro, you're paying $12.95 per month. Actually, if you want to pay yearly, you could save 23%, and it comes to about $9.95 per month. And you could also try it for free for 30 days. So if you go with this paid plan, Canva Pro, you get everything in the free Canva account that's included in there. Plus, you get unlimited folders. You'll have team functionality, so you could collaborate, design, and edit with your team. This $9.95 or $12.95 is actually per team member. So if you have a virtual assistant or employee, for example, and they're going to be using Canva Pro as well, then you have to pay for their account, which is $12.95 per month. Or if you're paying yearly, then it's $9.95 per month for each member. So let's say you have one virtual assistant helping you out, then you're going to be paying $9.95 per month times 2. Or if you're paying monthly, then that's $26 per month. So let's look at some of the things that Canva Pro has that Canva Free doesn't. You'll get exclusive access to 400,000 free photos, illustrations, and templates. You could resize your designs. You could upload custom fonts for your brand, save templates for you and your team. You could organize your photos with folders, easily find your designs with search, resize designs into custom dimensions, download designs with transparent background, export designs as animated GIFs, and you get priority support. Now, if you have a team with more than 20 members, you would go with Canva Enterprise. And for that, you'd have to contact Canva and they could give you a special price. And plus, you'll get a dedicated account manager.